Hello, guys. In this episode of Destination FPL, we'll be talking about Game Week 33 plus, and we are extremely sorry that we couldn't come up with the last episode for the previous game week. But regarding the previous game week, the average points were 50, but my team managed to pick up 93, and I'm quite content with the performance of my team. Aubameyang, both of us, me and Atharva, gambled with Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, and he gave us good returns. 32 points,
Yes, a good
given by armband.
32 points. Yes.
Yes, it was an excellent game week having Aubameyang in the side. It was a juicy fixture, Norwich at home. Fernandes and De Bruyne, ever consistent, gave us the points as well. I'm actually a bit disappointed with Mason Mount, and I'll be probably trying to get rid of him very soon. So, guys, this is how my team looks up for this week. I have Edison in goal, Van Bissaka. He's been consistent for me. I'll keep him. Lascelles,
Yeah, Van.
75%. Yeah,
Yeah.
so probably a doubt. And the rest of the team remains the same. I'm thinking of playing a free hit if possible because I need to get in Mohamed Salah and Alexander Arnold with.
I think I'll be mostly going with a free hit chip this week because I don't have any option now. Arnold and Salah are a must this game week. As you
Yes,
all
yes,
know, I need to triple up on United as well. So I have Rashford and Van Bissaka at the moment, but I'm currently looking for Bruno Fernandes as well. Maybe Son has to go out or Grealish, maybe we'll see. But even my team is a bit similar as well.
yes. So
So
probably
yeah,
we would get Salah and Ta in our team. Aston Villa at home is a very good fixture, is a very inviting fixture, and I think we can back good points from this fixture. Also, one more thing is regarding the differentials for this week. Guys, if you are short of money, we have picked up some really good differentials. In the midfield region, you can go in, you can get in Saint Maximin, Phil
Saint Maximin,
Foden,
yes,
and
terrific player.
also if you lack money in the forwards department, Atharva has picked up a very nice
Yeah,
differential. Atharva, can you
I've picked
please
up
tell
Neil
him?
Mopai. I've picked up Neil Mopai for this week. Brighton play against a very weak Norwich side. Norwich has given up on the Premier League, and yeah, Mopai didn't start last weekend. He came on in the second half, but yeah, this week he's bound to start, and I expect him to score a couple of goals against Norwich. So Mopai is a big differential for me this weekend. Yeah,
I totally agree with him. And with Brighton still fighting the relegation battle,
relegation zone.
for
Yeah,
Graham Potter to pick up 3 points from Norwich game is a very must situation for him.
yeah,
Also, yeah, regarding Saint Maximin is in good touch. Phil Foden as well. I think Pep Guardiola
yeah.
is going to give him some more time. Uh, Also, Mikhail Antonio is a good forward. You can have him in your team. West Ham have played really well, and Antonio
Yeah,
was in the link for all the goals. So you can go up with Mikhail Antonio as well.
yeah. So coming on the must-have players is for the 33 plus. See, tripling up on United is a very decent option. I'd say is a very safe option rather. Uh, it could be anyone. It could be Martial or Rashford and Bruno, or you could have a defensive option as well, including Van Bissaka or Harry Maguire. So those three United players are a must have. United are obviously aiming for the top score spot.
Yeah,
So yeah,
United ever
tripling
since
up
they
on United as well as a couple Liverpool assets as well. City thrashed Liverpool last weekend, so
exactly.
They face Aston Villa at Anfield next, so Aston Villa will have to pay the price. So I think Salah and Arnold, I'm going with them. They are a must-have in this, and also Salah is my captain also this weekend.
Okay,
33
okay.
plus, yeah.
Uh, for the captain choices, yes, Salah is a must-go captain.
Salah,
Bruno Fernandes in
yes.
good touch. Mason Greenwood, again, you can have him as a differential captain as well. Uh,
Yeah, but
Also,
I'd like to add something here.
yeah,
The
sure,
the
sure.
thing with Greenwood is that he's a bit of a rotation risk, according to me. He
Mm.
started the last game. He played full 90, whereas Martial and Rashford played just 77 minutes. So I think they are bound to start, and Ole could bench Bruno. He could give him a rest. Not sure, but yeah, to be safe, I'd go with Rashford if I had to. That's my
Athava,
pick.
what I feel is Bruno played around 63 minutes in the previous game against Brighton. So I feel that the 30 minutes rest was, I think, enough for Bruno. And with Pogba and Bruno linking up so well for Man United, I don't think, and also Leicester City and Leicester City and Chelsea dropping points. Uh, I think Ole
Yeah, United
not
will.
going to
Yeah,
waste
right.
any time. He has to get those 3 points, and if he gets those points, United go in the top four for sure.
Sure, and they have a pretty easy fixture, Bournemouth, I guess, at home at Old Trafford. So
Exactly.
yeah, obviously Ole will look for those 3 points. Yeah,
Surely.
so tripling
Exactly.
up on United is a very safe option this week. As I said, either it could be a defensive one and two forwards, or all three playing in the forward and midfield position according to us.
Agreed. Agreed. I totally agree with you. So, guys, that's all from our end. If you have any queries,
Yes.
do post in the comment section. And thank you, and all the very best for this game week. Have a good
All
weekend.
the best, guys. All the best.